Okay, I introduced two ways how to write equation of plan given the vector A, vector B, and vector C. So now in this one here, vector A equal 1 to 0 mean this one the vector from here to here. Okay, so that is the position vector. Vector B also the position vector, but vector B here is not this, not the point this. So vector B here, you need to take the point here, you subtract that one. So you have to imagine, in order to get to B here, you take this one, subtract 1, have to equal 2, right? So this one has to be 3, right? 3 minus 1 equal 2. Then what minus 2 equal 1, so have to be 3. 3 minus 2 equal 1. Finally 0 here, you have to have 1 minus 0, 0. So this is the point. They didn't give you, they give you straight into B, that maybe you confuse you, okay? But actually, usually they give you 3 points and you have to find yourself B and C. So now if they give you vector C like this, mean the point have to be 4, because 4 minus 1 equals 3, 2 minus 2 equals 0, and negative 1 minus 0 equals negative 1, okay? But sometimes they give you straight like this, sometimes they give you the point, so make sure you don't confuse. So now, how to write this one? R, vector R equal 1, 2, 0, you add with lambda 2, 1, 1, you add with beta 3, 0, minus 1. So this one here is the vector form of the plane, because R means OP, vector OP. OP equal vector A, add with vector AP, and vector AP is a combination between C and B. Vector here is vector OP, AP, okay, vector AP, okay. Make sure you understand that. Okay, then we change to a parametric equation. This one H equal 1 plus 2 lambda plus 3 beta, and Y equal 2 plus alpha plus 0 beta. So gone. Z equals 0 plus alpha and minus beta, minus 1 beta. So you have this one we call the parametric form. So now how to change parametric form into the Cartesian? All I need to do is get rid of alpha and beta, right? So get rid of alpha beta, so easy right here. So I take this one, I subtract one, alpha minus alpha is gone. So I pick second and third equation, I take this second, subtract the first, right? So this one turn out to be y minus z equal 2 minus 0. Okay, 2 minus 0 equal 2, and alpha minus alpha equals 0, and 0 minus b equal positive b. So I have one equation right here. Then between this and this, get rid of alpha, so multiply the second one by 2. Okay, then you have what? You have h minus 2y. You have h minus 2y equal, you multiply this by 2, so 1 minus 4 equal minus 3. Multiply by 2 here, 2 lambda minus 2 lambda equals 0. Multiply this by 2 is nothing here, so 3b, okay, plus 3 beta. So I solve for beta from here and I substitute there, okay. Then we have get rid of beta. So I have y minus z minus 2 equal beta. And you substitute the anti-beta into here. So you have h minus 2y here equal minus 3 plus 3 times this. Okay, substitute b into that. 3 times y minus 3 times z minus 3 times minus 2 equal minus 6. So, okay, so far so good. Now I gather h first here, and 3y I move to the left side, become minus 3, minus 2 equal minus 5, and minus 3z move to the left, become 3z, and finally minus 3 and minus 6 equal minus 9. Okay, so this one is one of the way. Now I introduce you another way. I like that the other way may be better because you can find directly into that one. So now the other ways, the principle is if you able to find the normal vector, okay, and you dot normal vector with the vector AP have to be 0 because the perpendicular vector, right? So how to find that? I introduce another way how to write equation direct into here without we go to vector equation of the vector equation for the plane and go into like parametric equation. Then you eliminate to get this one. Now this one have you directly get straight into the Cartesian vector. That's so nice. So the principle is, if you have vector B here, vector C and vector B here, if you're able to find the normal vector, so all you need to do is you dot the normal vector to any vector AP on the plane here. Okay, so it have to be 0. Okay, and the first thing you have to know vector N, right? Normal vector. But vector P, very simple. Vector AP is you set H minus 1, Y minus 2, and Z minus 0, right? So vector AP. So let's go like this. AP equal H minus 1, Y minus 2, and Z minus 0. That's AP. If you're able to dot with able to find the normal, you dot with this one equals 0, and you go straight into this answer right here. Okay. So here the dot B and A. B 211, C 30 negative 1. So this is the way, classic way. I like this way because I can remember easily. So this one here, 23 here, I copy I23, J10, J10. So you have like this. You cross, you multiply this, add with this, add with this. Okay, so negative 1 time I equal negative I, right? Negative I. So 3 times 1 equal 3J. So this one 0. 0 times 2 to the K equals 0. Then you minus this one here, 3K. Okay, 3 times 1 times K. 0 times 1, J, no I. So then minus become the plus here. Plus 2J. Minus 1 times minus 2 equal minus 2J. But you have to subtract this one. You subtract all three of them. So finally you have minus I plus 5J minus 3K. This one is normal vector. Okay, so now we dot with the vector AP to see what happened. The normal vector is minus 1, 5, and minus 3. Okay, you dot with the vector X minus 1, Y minus 2, and Z. Okay, so now what happened here? Minus 1 times that one equal minus X plus 1. 5 times Y minus 2 equal plus 5 minus 10. So minus 3 times Z equal minus 3Z equal 0. So I have minus X, which is right here. You can, later on we can flip over. Okay, plus 6 minus 10 equal minus 4. Minus 3Z, okay, 1 plus 5 equals 6 minus 10, 5, 3Z, 1 plus 1, 5 times minus Y equal minus Z, 3Z, minus 10 equal 0. So therefore I change everything here. So where the Y? 5Y. Yes, 5Y. Where the 5Y? 5 times Y. Okay, minus 1 times X equal minus X, minus 1 times minus 1 equal 1, 5 times Y equal 5Y, equal 5Y, 5 times minus 2 equal minus 10, and minus 3 times Z equal minus 3Z. Okay, so then I have minus X, I'm sorry here, minus X, minus 9, okay, so minus X minus 9 plus 5Y minus 3Z equals 0. Okay, so I put X to the right side and have positive X. I put 5Y for the right side, you get minus 5Y. I put minus Z to the right side, I have plus 3Z, and I keep the negative 9 to the left side. So we have exactly the same answer. Okay, so see that the dot, the cross product can be, you can get it super easy if you keep working on the shortcut. Okay, then you find very easy, and you just take that and you dot to the, the point A, right? So vector AP have to be this, subtract this, subtract this, and a dot, and you go straight to the answer really nicely.